Here I have LG V30 and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Let's just find and select the settings right here, choose the general, and here you should find and select the language and input. It's at the top of the list under personal tab. Let's select languages, and here you are using the English from United States, but you can add some other language. So let's choose add language, and for example let me say that I would like to use the Spanish, so let's choose on Espanol, choose the España for example, and right now you have to input the Espanol into the first position. And as you can see right now, the whole list of settings and also applications are in Spanish. Now if you would like to go back to previous version, just find and select Ajustes, then choose Idioma y Teclado, tap Idioma one more time, and now let's place the English into the first position. So that's it, you can go back and start using your English version of your LG. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.